Hi there. In this lecture, I will go ahead and I will add title and fab icon to our solo website. I will first open this basic web page inside the web browser. I'm going to click on this open in browser icon. This is the extension which we installed in the beginning of this course. So I will use this extension and I'm going to click on this icon and it is going to open this index.html file inside the web browser. I want you to pay attention to this location. Right now there is no title and fab icon for this web page. Title and fab icon are very important for a website. Let us add them. I am going to add title element inside the head section of this web page because title is also a metadata. I am going to write comment for title. To add title, I am going to write the title opening and closing tags. And inside this, I'll write the title for this web page. And the title is solo-creative website. I will go ahead and I'll save this index.html file. And I'll refresh this web page. And now you can see that there is a title for this web page. Title is very important because it defines a title for your web page inside the web browser. When users save the web page in their favorites, they can see the web page title and also the web page title is displayed in search engines results. So always give a good title to your website. Next, I am going to add fav icon to this web page. Fav icon is an icon used to identify a particular website, or you can say it is an icon for the title. I am going to add comment for fav icon. To add fav icon, I am going to use link tag. The link tag defines a link between a document and an external resource. In this case, we have external fav icon inside the img folder. Inside the img folder, I have fav icon folder. And this is the fav icon which we are going to use for solo website. So after writing link, I am going to define the relationship. And for relationship, I have to define the rel attribute. And the value for this attribute is shortcut space icon, and after that I'll define the path to the external file, and for that I'm going to use the href attribute. And we have fav icon inside the img folder, and inside the img folder we have fav icon folder, and we are going to use fav icon.ico icon. I will go ahead and I'll save this index.html file. And I'm going to refresh this web page and it will add an icon just before the title. The fav icon is pretty important because it helps visitors to recognize your website very easily. And more importantly, some web services and search engines even use fav icon with title in their results. So always add good title and fav icon to your website. And that's it about this lecture, and thanks for your watching, and I'll see you in the next class. Thanks.